Guys, we come back. I'm going to show you here how you actually started to go for something that is actually through create pattern to design one of the unit of veterans. First, what you're gonna do, this is really how it started through this situation. So making the menu. So something that we can start to realize, design one unit of veteran. So we can start to go over here about to go to veteran to migrate veteran spacing field. So we can start right now to make a certain frame and a certain circle. Now you can start Control A, imagine to migrate veteran on it, and this is really how you can start to see the veteran is really being migrating on it. We can click on this veteran and then will be really satisfied with this progress through it, as you can see. And then duplicating is Control D. You can actually start to see the veteran is really converting it into component, which is really right click and the component, and that is all about how you migrate it.